Hi, Miss Burkholt's chemistry class here today. If you're watching this on Tuesday, I hope that's the day that you have a chance to see this. Today is National Bunsen Burner Day. So what an awesome opportunity for me to do a little gentle review of how to use our Bunsen burner properly. So I thought I would just kind of go through, hard to see on the screen there, but I have my Bunsen burner in front of me. Obviously I'm standing in my classroom. I wish you all were here with me. Hopefully soon. Let's start by, I'm turning the gas on. Remember, we have just a few seconds to get that baby lit. There we go, Bunsen burner. I have just a really simple chemistry, it's actually food chemistry that I'm going to do with you today. I'm going to turn my burner up a little bit. I'm going to toast a marshmallow. I don't want to get in the hottest part. Remember, that inner blue flame is that hottest part of the Bunsen burner. We don't want to toast our marshmallow in there. That's probably going to end up being one of those black, super crispy marshmallows. Nobody wants those, or maybe you do. I'm a trained professional. I don't think you should try this at home. But we're going to just keep lightly toasting our marshmallow. Oops, it's falling off of there. It's getting really melty, even though it's not brown. Bunsen burners are much hotter than what you would experience, say, with a candle or something like that. Let's see, what should I do with my marshmallow? Maybe I know. I'm going to make a s'more with this. Perfect. There we go. Bunsen Burner 101. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying your time off. Email me with any questions you have on any of your work. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.